What's going on, guys? I just wanted to come to you real quick before we get started on today's video and thank everybody who subscribed and helped me hit 1,000 subscribers. We hit our first 1,000 subscribers. That's huge. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. But for now, let's go ahead and get into some dyno action. What's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning back into the Hook 937 YouTube channel. Coming at you today with a quick little update. I really wanted to bring you guys some more GTO content, but I'm just trying to get the home garage set up. As I told you before, Dodger shop is really busy right now. One of the things he's busy with is this beautiful Z06 twin turbo Corvette. This actually has a 427 LSX motor with a set of Frankenstein heads. Beautiful car, nice color blue. Little rough around the edges, but it's been a long time coming, just trying to get it running because there's been issues like the old set of heads had a hole in them. The sidewall and the intake blew out, but this is put back together with a new set of Frankenstein heads. It's running. We're going to baseline dyno it today. Probably not going to get you any shots of dyno tuning and a final number, but we'll get a baseline out of this twin turbo 427 and we'll just see what it makes. So it'll be a quick video, but hopefully a good one. 1100 off the rip. Nice little bass line right there. Alright, I guess he did a couple things on the keyboard. Let's see what it does now. Alright guys, so those were a couple baseline hits in the Corvette. Effortless, making over 1,100 horsepower. That's on the gates at about 14 PSI. It was 13.8, so about 14 PSI. First run was complete baseline. Second run, he cleaned up the fuel, cleaned up a couple of things. Going to turn the boost controller on, throw a little bit of duty at it. Air fuels look good, timing's low. Let's see what it does this time around. All right, here we go. Like I said, Dodger turned the boost controller on, threw a little duty at it. Gonna make some more boost and raise the rev limiter a little. Let's see what it does. real quick, guys. I'll show you. So these were the heads that were on it. These are a set of all-pro heads. They're good valve train and stuff. But these were sent out to a shop. I'm not sure of the shop. And they were ported. And they ported this wall here so thin that it blew. When you started making boost, it blew that out. So then the heads were sent back to the shop, welded up, reported, and then it blew it out a second time. So that's why these heads had to come off. And then Frankenstein is in high demand. It's hard to get anything right now because of COVID. So, but the Frankenstein heads came in, they're on. Proof's in the pudding. Just made over 1,400. ECM didn't catch a data log, so we're about to just repeat the last pull, data log it, and then probably make a couple of changes. So the smoke you're seeing is the turbos all been worn out. Make another lick here. Probably boost cut. Take a look at it. Alright, so that one hit boost cut like we predicted. This one, after checking the logs, was 18.3 pounds. And this one was boost cut set at like 22 or 25 or somewhere around there. So, made a couple little changes. Getting ready to fire it back up and give it another rip. right, guys, coming to you again at the end of the video, reminding you, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. We were looking at the data log on the ECM, and we realized on the run, it actually wasn't hitting boost cut. So we did another pull, and we were checking it out, and it's actually the tires are breaking loose on the dyno. They're kind of tires are like glass. They're kind of slick tires. They're not too grippy right now, and it was like a little cold. I think it was about 40 degrees last night. Also, the turbos probably could use a rebuild, but the point was get the car running, get it dynoed, make some power, and get the thing back on the street. So, I mean, easy 1,600 horsepower car. I think it was on like 22 or 24 pounds, and it's pretty impressive. So if you like what you've seen today, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share it with somebody, leave a comment down below, let us know what you think, and I'll catch you guys next time.